I mean, that property which was making money in 2020, they grew so much revenue and so forth that its value went to, we refinanced it also, and then it went to 12 million. We made a profit of 6 million, and we took portion of that, 5,330,000, I think. We took it from there and we bought Wyndham Garden trademark, very beautiful hotel over there in the same town. Actually, I know there is another deal coming on my table, very good deal, which is like, gosh, I think I can buy it for almost 2x the revenue. What? That's mind blowing, you know. No, 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 no. uh, I said that wrong. I think 4x the revenue, but still, it's pretty darn good, you know. But let's talk about it. You know, I really believe if you would like to look into another aspect where you make money, I know a lot of people I know who are into Airbnb, you know, which is also hospitality, but it's a different thing. It's a single family home which you are giving, or a resort type of, you know, glamping is another one, and so on, like that. Some restrictions are coming in that space, as you know, but hospitality, hotels, boutique hotels, and our you know, main idea about hospitality in the last 5 years have been to really stay in the mid-tier hotels, but with Marriott, Sheratons, you know, and with the, you know, Hiltons, and the IGT intercontinental groups, all the major ones, because then the occupancy stays pretty strong, and they have a good system to get the travelers come to their website, you know, and their website and all that stuff. And anyway, so let's look at it. You know, hospitality record-breaking industry projections for this year, 777 billion in guest spending expected. That's a good number. And then 94% of the investors increasing hotel investments. Attitude, the mind thinking is very strong with the investors right now to invest in hotels in good locations. Of course, locations. I like busy airports. I like central business districts where there is a more, you know, tourism, and then also like the tourist spots, also right on the beaches and things like that. Strong recovery trend since pandemic, strong, really strong. So 7 7, we talked about that. The RevPAR is revenues per average room growth of almost 2 to 5% expected nationwide, and investor confidence is pretty high, and it's maintaining and increasing as we go on, you know. And you could see that the guest spending, you know, from 2024 to 2025, you know, it's believed to be going. And I think there's another graph where you'll see it's just gone for after COVID. It went down, of course, in COVID, but after that, it's been steady growth, and that's what we look for, you know, for the hotels. And again, luxury properties, highest investor investment. I think people are able to afford more and things like that. So that's one. Mid-scale hotels is where I like to be, right here, and extended stay. These are my two main ones right there, where all the things, I'm looking at a portfolio of 5 hotels right now, and it's very exciting. Where PIP is actually called capital improvements. Money is there in those deals, and we are underwriting them and so on.